Hello, good morning and welcome to episode 1 of Debuggering Flummery. Today we're going to be looking at issue number 92, where the stiffness instruction is being output when it shouldn't be. Let's have a look. If we have a look at the stock Eagle R structure XML, we can see that if set crushability has a value greater than 0, then set stiffness is also written to the file. But if set crushability is 0, there is no set stiffness. If we have a quick look at the export from Flummery, we will see that we export the stiffness regardless of the crushability. This will not do. So let's jump into the code. We need to open up our structure XML parser and have a look for stiffness. So what we're going to want is some way to link the stiffness method with the crushability method, and we're going to want to specify that we should only export the stiffness if the crushability is greater than 0. So we'll add a few extra parameters in here. We'll say if crushability, the value of it, is greater than 0. That's what we want. I mean, this won't work right now. We'll need to make this work, but that's what we want. So what we'll do, we'll jump into this add method, and we will just quickly copy paste that there and add a few extra parameters into this one. We're going to need a depends on method, a depends on parameter. We're going to need some sort of delegate here. We'll test float against float and return a bool, and we also need a value. That'll do. Oops. There we go. What we'll do here is we'll just mock this up with some there we go. That'll do, I think. No, let's just put a 0 there. Yeah. Right, so now we have said that if crushability value is greater than 0, but is greater than does not work. So what we'll quickly do is at the top of here do a quick comparison method. There we go, that'll do. And that error's gone now. So we are able to pass in what we want, but we're not doing anything with it yet. So let's jump down to the Lua code block method, and we'll add in here a dependency. And we'll put in a default dependency wherein we just return true to say that the dependency matches. So let's add in a public thing there. That'll do. And we also should write, we only want to write if the dependency is true. So if not dependency, there we go. So we have the basic logic. Now we just need to set the code itself. So inside of the add method, we will do if the comparison is not null, then method.dependency equals something like this. Yeah, we need to find the proper method we're interested in. So depends on method. And once we found that, we want to find the parameter. So let's find the parameter now. So we've got the parameter, and then we want the value of that. So we then want to compare that against the value we've passed in, and that should do it. So let's test that out. Fire up Flummery. Eventually. Come on, Flummery. Hey, there we go. And now let's open up the Eagle R. There we go. And now let's save the Eagle R. There we go. So if everything's gone according to plan, when we look at the structure XML now, we should see no stiffness if the crushability is 0. Let's have a look. Crushability is 0, no stiffness. Crushability greater than 0, stiffness. Issue solved.